Welcome to Crypto Minute, Bitcoin and crypto news and analysis. My name is Kris. Let's go have some fun. Bitcoin is at 10,230. Coin market cap is above 300 billion and looking good. Hedra and Chili's FOMO is now FUD, as expected. And Game of Thrones coin is making an appearance. Resistance today is at 10,900 and support is at 10,200. And the crystal ball forecast says it is a Valentine's Day bull weekend, so hold on. But don't ever listen to a crystal ball, and none of this is financial advice. Now, when CNBC gets bullish on Bitcoin, it's usually a sign of a dump. But historically, Valentine's Day has been a very profitable day for crypto. Most people don't know Binance's headquarters is located in the Cayman Islands, which is a perfect place to get away when you have 2 order book snafus in 24 hours. IRS doesn't consider Fortnite money as virtual currency. At least people don't have to pay taxes for playing video games, and maybe people will take Bitcoin more serious than video games. Crypto fact: mooning is when a coin's price is going to astronomical levels. It is not, however, showing your buttocks. Well, that is it. It's time to get my moon moving. If you enjoyed it, support it. Thank you so much and have a fucking awesome Valentine's Day weekend. See you next week.